Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video we're going to show you the unboxing of 16-inch MacBook Pro. Before getting out of this video, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Okay, let's get on the video. So here is some MacBook Pro which is fully wrapped. We haven't opened it yet after we purchased from the shop. So in order to show it in this video, we haven't opened it yet. Let's open it now. So on the back of the package, it has the details about the product like serial number, Bluetooth ID, airport ID, and some more items. And on the right side, it's detailed configuration details like it has 16-inch LED display, 2.3 GHz Intel-Core i9 processor, 16 GB of RAM, and 1 TB of internal storage. So the details has been mentioned in both languages. So quickly, if you go down, it has a disclaimer. So let's open this package, and once we get into this, we'll talk more about these configurations. Okay, so this product is fully wrapped. We haven't opened it yet. Okay, and here is the indicator where to start the opening, and you just need to pull it out. So just let me open it. Okay, so after removing the wrap, it just looks like this. Okay, so as you're excited to see what's in the box, right? Let me open the box slowly. So just like you, I'm also excited to see what is hiding inside the box. I'm just opening the top lid of the box, and what we have got is the Apple MacBook Pro. It's actually a silver color one. Let me pull that out to see how much it weighs. As mentioned in the product, it weighs 2 kg, but when I carry it in my hand, it doesn't weigh so. You can easily carry it outside anywhere. And let's see what we have got in the box. So this one is USB-C type charging cable, and we have got a small box which has some papers like I think it's a quick reference guide, and like with details of the MacBook configurations, and it comes up with two versions, one in English and another with Chinese, and a warranty paper, and two Apple stickers where you can paste it on the back side of the display. So let's move to the next, and we have got a charging plug, and the pin type is of fingerprint based one. And we have got adapter, and we have to insert that plug onto this circuit. It's a small thing. Okay, let me remove the papers. I think we have to remove this paper because we have to plug the one side of charging cable. So now I'm going to fit that plug into this adapter, and now I think it will be ready for charging. So I'm just ensuring that it fits properly into that adapter. So I'm just trying to pull it out, whether it's very easy to pull it out. So actually it's very hard. So now I have placed the Mac on top of the box so that it's very visible on the video. So it's very superb, and let me open that. Actually it's wrapped with a plastic paper, so we have to remove it. So let me remove the plastic paper wrap. So after removing that wrap, it looks like a notebook. So actually it's called a notebook. So let me open it. So as soon as you start opening it, the Mac starts to work. So as you can see on the display, the Mac logo is turned on. So now it's in the startup screen. Actually there's a plastic paper on the screen to protect from the dust. I'm going to remove that so that we can start working on the setup things. Wow. Okay, now it's asking me to select the language. I'm going to choose English. Okay, and my geographical location, Singapore. Actually, what you see on the screen is a voiceover. I think it's providing the instructions and settings and function keys, everything voiceover based on the language you have chosen in the initial setup screen. So let's just click on continue, next. Yeah, okay, next. Keyboard help, more on the screen, adjust the voice, select display text field, interact with navigation table, select a date and time, choose it. Yeah, so that we are completed with the voiceover part. Let me click on the next to see what we have. So now we have come back to the welcome screen, and again I'm choosing the location. I'm selecting Singapore here. Then will be taken to the language selection screen. So here we have to choose our written and spoken language. Once we are chosen, then click on the next. Okay, now we have to select our Wi-Fi network and then click on next, and then you have to agree with the data privacy policy. So if you have an older Mac, you have to transfer your information to this new Mac. You can choose this option. Then after clicking on next, we have been directed to the sign in page. If you have Apple ID, you can sign in here, and the iCloud option, if you want to move your data to iCloud, you can do that. And Find My, if you have lost your laptop, you can choose this option. And after setting that, you can click on next, and then Express setup. If you want to choose, you can do it now, or otherwise you can do it later. And there is analytics part, it's just for your information. And then screen time, you can choose whatever you want, and you can do it later as well. Then I'm clicking next. It's our iCloud analytics, and I'm clicking on the next to see. It says to set up Hey Siri. If you want to do here, you can do it. Then if you want to take your files and data into the cloud, you can sign it up here. So I'm just clicking not now, and then moving on to the next one. So Firewall disk encryption, if you want to encrypt your data in the hard disk, you can opt for the encryption policy here. After selecting that, you can click on the next. Okay, so now it's Touch ID. If you want to register your fingerprint, you can use this option. So now I registered my fingerprint. Now it's ready to use. So if you want to enable the iPay, you can opt this. Otherwise, you can click next without selecting it. So I'm going to select no. So if you want to have a display look like this, you can choose whatever you want after this mountain display. Then we have got the true tone display. I'm not choosing anything. Okay, now I think it's fully ready and it's doing the setting up for us. Wow, so we have been taken to the initial page. I think we are on the last step of the process. So before we start using this Mac, let me slightly adjust the Mac to get it clearly visible on the video. Okay, so now we got a dialog box where we have been asking to register our email. So I think it will send an OTP to my registered email address. So I'm just going to click on it. Okay, and then I'm selecting that. Okay, let's wait for the OTP to receive in my mail. Yeah, okay, I got the OTP. Now I'm just going to input the OTP here. I think once it's done, we are ready to start using this Mac. Okay, it's done. Okay, let me explain about the interesting feature. It's actually the touch bar. It's on the top of the Magic keyboard, so it's fully touch. In this, we have got many functions where we can adjust our Mac volume, and we can adjust the brightness of the display, and we have many more functions to do here. Yeah. Okay, so here is the utility screen where what are the inbuilt utilities we have got here. So I'm just clicking on one specific utility, which is photos. So here you can see whatever photos which you have been taking. Okay, I think we have done with all the basic setup. Now it's ready for use. We can start working on this going forward. So actually we bought this product because of video editing purpose. So when we are looking for that video editing option, this one came as the first. So I will also suggest you guys to go for this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and also if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe, and I'll meet you in the next unboxing video. Thank you. Bye bye.